Hi Parsh. So this issue is related to task type custom fields. In this task type I have created some custom fields. Some of them are mandatory and one is not required. And I have also selected this option allow edit so that all the fields can be edited from the customer portal. So for this task type I have created one task on tenant portal and added the customer, assign it to the contact. And I also provided all the values for all the custom fields, required and non-required. When I access this task from the customer portal and try to edit these fields, I always get this message required fields are not provided. Even if user has permission to update all these fields, I'm not able to update any of this field. And always gets this message required fields are not provided. All the required fields are provided here, still getting the same message. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.